Welcome back to another video. Today let's talk about managing early learners in the classroom or classroom management. Classroom management is the process teachers use to ensure that classroom lessons run smoothly without disruptive behavior from students compromising the delivery of instruction. What is a well-managed classroom? A well-managed classroom ensures child safety, gives teachers peace of mind, provides the environment kids need to be at their best, is where kids can learn and grow cognitively, socially, and emotionally without disruption. Remember our goal: better outcomes and happier kids. 8 approaches to creating a productive classroom. 1. Model exemplar behaviors. Use polite language. Maintain eye-contact. Be respectful, engaged, and positive. Let one another speak uninterrupted. 2. Plan appropriate lessons and activities. Collaborate with colleagues. Balance of active and passive learning engagement. Apply differentiated instruction strategies. Adjust lessons to address issues. To promote and measure engagement, but does not serve as a measure of accuracy. 3. Create structures with transitions, schedule, and routines. Write the day's schedule on the board time blocks. Use pictures to represent the day's activities. 4. Organize the room strategically. Create an integrated learning environment, flexible and nurturing spaces that supports different approaches. Separate noisy areas from the quiet ones. Identify areas like reading, play, eating, etc. Group objects by similarity. Use child-friendly labels. 5. Provide support and comfort. Promote growth mindset. Treat the child as an individual. Use enthusiastic drives. Balance positive reinforcement with consequences. Offer praise and rewards for good behavior. Give tangible rewards at the end of the class. Example of consequences: verbal warning, change seats, stay after class, behavioral write-up, address inappropriate behavior immediately, use proximity limit. 6. Set clear expectations. Value discipline over punishment. Discipline and punishment. Discipline is based on relationship, focuses on character, expects to connect, uses love to motivate, teaches the why values, results in confidence and identity, expects growth, focuses on the long term. Punishment is based on relationship, focuses on character, expects to control, uses fear to intimidate, teaches the what rules, results in shame and guilt, expects perfection, focuses on the short term. Tackle ongoing issues with tools that allow them to express their feelings. Get kids involved in creating rules. Mutually understand and respect expectations. Document rules. Display them for daily reference. Relate discipline with logical consequences. 7. Communicate with parents. Make positive letters and phone calls. Hold 3-way conferences: teacher, parent, child. 8. Enjoy your job. Enjoy the teaching process and allow the kids to enjoy the learning process. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.